Alrighty, you OG folks are gonna know where I'm going. So just hang on a second. I started a little bit early again. And there's a lot of traffic, so it's gonna be short. Folks, here we are. We're out here with incredible Hemi again. Here comes one of the men, the myths, the legends. Incredible Hemi with the cammed ram, which is now a Whipple ram. Yeah. Y'all see Kong over there. I know some of y'all subscribe to him too, but if you don't subscribe to him, go check him out. He's got a lot of 5.7 content, older 5.7 content, because now he's got a 392 with a Whipple. So he used to have a 5.7 with a Whipple. Now he's got a 392 with a Whipple. Y'all saw it. I showed you a second ago, but here's the inside of this bad boy. Now he's got his track intake done, which comes right out here through the bumper. We got an updated tune that hopefully fixes the trans issue from the last time.
Yeah, hit limiter.
So we'll see.
We'll see what happens. Yeah.
We'll get Stang mode when he shows up, but
he's here now.
Get ready. So go check him out. He's got a lot of content, folks. A lot of content. So yeah, we're pumped. We're ready to go. If y'all can't tell, we're pumped. We're ready to go. He's pumped. He's ready to go. We got Stang mode coming as well with his 24 Mustang GT. So he should be here in a few minutes. We'll get him on the video real quick, and yeah, get ready for that first pull, baby. Woo!
Round 1.
All right, folks, here we go. First round. First round, we're going up against El Camino. We missed the dragging. I forgot to start the draggy because dude got me off my my routine. Had me start and stop. Good Lord. Well, the car says 10-0 at 142. Alrighty, thank you. So we got a 1.5 60 foot, 647 to the 8th at 111, 999, 998 at 142. So that's without ice. I went without ice. Next run, because I'm not sure how many runs we're actually gonna get, next run we're gonna run with ice. And I won't forget to start the draggy. Hopefully.
Round 2.
Alrighty, folks. Too much beans. Too much beans. She hit that rev limiter. Alrighty, thank you.
You're welcome.
Super terrible, super terrible. 149 60 foot. And it was downhill from there. 9-1 to the 8th at 49 miles an hour. 14.3. That's even me pulling over, stopping, turning the car off, turning the car back on, and then finishing. But we're headed back to the pits, and we'll kind of do a wrap up.
A few moments later.
All right, folks. So y'all saw the 2 runs. The first run, no ice, perfectly fine. Second run, with the ice, gave it all the beans. Maybe we gave it a little bit too many beans. So, really, it's the difference in boost. So, that first run, we were those early shifts were like 17 pounds of boost, 16, 17 pounds of boost. Where the shifts, the 1, 2, 2, 3 shifts were like 18, 19 pounds of boost. So we were making a lot more power on those shifts. So obviously we overworked the trans because we hit the limiter. So what we do, we log it, we send the logs to Dave. Dave works his magic, and we come out for another day. So we live for another day, right? Great day at the track. Nothing broke. We're driving home. What else could you ask for, man? Another fun day at the track with the guys. Incredible Hemi, great guy. Stang Mode, also great guy. We're all car guys, right? Let's just be honest with each other. We're all car guys. So yeah, that Mustang was really nice, man. The interior was nice. The screens were nice. Hey, it is what it is. So he didn't get what he wanted. He was trying to get an 11.9. He didn't get it. Incredible Hemi, he was trying to get his 10, which we all know the truck has it in it, 100%. No doubt that truck can run a 10.9, at least a 10.9, if not quite a bit faster. It's just, he's got to figure out the tune too. And we're at that point where, you know, dyno tuning is one thing, but running at the track is different. So for you guys that you know, go to dyno tunes and don't go to the track, that's fine, right? Your dyno tune's great for whatever you're doing. But sometimes when you go to the track, the dyno tune just may not be quite right. And that's where we're at. It is what it is. You log it, you send it to your tuner, they send you a new tune, you try it again. If it works, great. If not, log it, send it again. It's just the way it works, folks. It takes time, you know. And if your tuner is good enough to go to the track with you, that's great. Or responsive to you while you're at the track, that's great. But not all tuners can do that, or not all tuners do that. So we may try and link up with Dave at the track one day, see if I can get him out to the track to do some serious track tuning, and we'll go from there. You know, it is what it is. But like I said, another great day at the track, and looking forward to another great day at the track in the future. So that's it for this one, folks. If you're stopping in for the first time, please check out the rest of the channel. If you like what's going on with the rest of the channel, do me that few things. Like, subscribe, smash the bell, shoot me a comment, share it on your social media. I'll definitely appreciate it. Shake and Bake will definitely appreciate it, because every red penny from YouTube goes right back into Shake and Bake. That's it for this one, folks. Until the next one, adios.